Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am cleaning and organizing underneath my kitchen sink. My kitchen, for the most part, is organized, but this is one area that I completely neglected. It's so easy to just put stuff under there and close the cabinet door, and I was so tired of not being able to find cleaning supplies. So if you need a little bit of cleaning motivation, definitely stay tuned. Okay, first and foremost, let's clear everything out from underneath the sink to see what I'm working with. Now, I cannot believe I let it go for as long as I did, but now that I think about it, when we first moved into the house, we were doing a lot of renovating. And while we were renovating the kitchen, actually, the underneath the sink organization was one of the last things that seemed to have never gotten done. So now that we're more settled and everything, all the renovation is basically done, at least the bigger projects, now I can focus on more organizing and storage throughout the home. So my husband still had a lot of tools underneath the sink that needed to be put away. And it was definitely time for me to just leave everything that was supposed to be underneath the kitchen sink, underneath the kitchen sink. To clean up underneath the sink, I am using this Method all-purpose spray in the pink grapefruit scent. I was always curious about it, so I figured while I was at Target I would just pick up a bottle, and so far I really like the way it smells, and it does a really good job to clean up little messes around the house. So I definitely would recommend it if you're in the market for a more natural cleaning spray. Next, I am lining the bottom of the kitchen sink with this shelf liner that I bought from IKEA. It is clear and easy to wipe down, and I figured I really wanted to help protect my cabinets from any cleaners, if anything spills or anything like that. Instead of it messing up the wood, I can just easily just wipe it up from the plastic. Now that the cabinet is wiped down and lined, it's time to start putting in the organizing tools. So this clear shelf I actually bought from my local JCPenney that was closing down, and this clear drawer I bought it at my local Big Lots in the kitchen section. And typically you use those for your refrigerator, but I thought it was the perfect size to put underneath my sink to hold my cleaning cloths and such. These clear containers I bought from the Dollar Tree and thought they were perfect to put all of my dishwasher tabs and my scoring pads in, and it would make it a lot easier for me to see just how much I have and if I'm starting to get low on supplies. Now these white baskets that I'm putting my plastic bags in, I actually bought those from the Dollar Tree as well. And I think you get about a pack of 3 for $1, and they worked out to be the perfect size again for my little plastic bags that I folded. This clear container right here was another find that I purchased at my JCPenney, again, that was closing. And please pardon the electric tape. It ended up cracking during renovation, and instead of throwing it away, I just thought I could still use it, and it was the perfect size actually for all of my sponges. So I was able to put all of my dish sponges, my stainless steel sponge, as well as some extra sponges that I use when I'm wiping down the stove. So if you have any containers or different things that are on the verge of being thrown out, just pull out that tape and it'll definitely come in handy. This gray plastic bin I ended up buying from Big Lots, and I thought it was the perfect size to put all of my sprays and cleaners that I use for the kitchen and the living room, since it is a open space concept. And there was enough space behind the basket for me to put things that I don't use often, and in the middle was the perfect spot for me to be able to put my oil diffuser. So I was really happy that that was one more thing I could get off of my kitchen countertop. Last, I am hanging up my cleaning gloves on the inside of my cabinet door. What I did was take a little command hook, a binder clip, and my gloves. I just clipped the binder clip onto my gloves, and it made it easier for me to just hang up and organize my gloves so they can dry without dripping all over the place. All right, here it is, the final reveal of my kitchen sink, under my kitchen sink that is. I am so happy with the way it turned out. It's neat, it's tidy, it's clean, and it's so much easier for me to reach for what I want and clean and put it away. So I'm really, really happy with the way it turned out. Now I'm really loving this whole drawer idea. It holds all of my plastic bags again, as well as my little cleaning rags and my microfiber cloths that I folded. So whenever I need a clean cloth to wipe down a cabinet or something, it makes it so much easier to just reach in that drawer and grab my spray and wipe it down. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some cleaning motivation to clean, declutter, and organize your space, and hopefully underneath your kitchen sink. If you liked this video, please leave it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I hope that you consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, I hope that you are having a great day. Take care.